If you want to buy a domain and hosting from Bluehost, this video will walk you through the full process step by step so you can get everything set up quickly and confidently. Whether you are launching a brand new website, starting a blog, or creating a business site, Bluehost makes it simple to register your domain and purchase hosting in one place. And by the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly how to choose a plan, search for a domain, complete checkout, and find everything inside your Bluehost portal. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to bluehost.com. Once the website loads, look at the top of the page and click on Hosting. This is where Bluehost shows the different hosting options available for your website. From the drop-down or menu, select Web Hosting. Now you'll see the available hosting plans. Take a moment to look through the options and choose the one that fits your needs best. If you are just starting out, the basic plan is often a good place to begin, but you can always choose a different plan if you need more features or resources. Once you've found the plan you want, click Select or Get Started. Bluehost will then move you into the checkout flow. At this point, you'll usually be asked to choose a billing cycle. If you select 12 months or 24 months, Bluehost may include a free domain for the first year, which can be a great way to save money when you're starting out. So review the billing options carefully before moving forward. Next, you'll get to the domain page. Here, choose Register a new domain. This is the option you want if you haven't purchased a domain yet and want to buy one directly through Bluehost. Now type in the domain name you want, such as mywebsite.com, and click Search. Bluehost will check whether that domain is available. If the domain is available, select it and click Continue. If it is not available, you may need to try a different name or extension until you find one that works. After that, review everything in your cart. Make sure the domain name is correct, confirm the hosting plan you selected, and check that the billing term matches what you want. This is an important step because you want to make sure you are paying for exactly what you need without any mistakes. Now it's time to create your Bluehost account. You can sign up using your email address and password, or you can continue with Google, Apple, or GitHub if that is easier for you. Enter your details carefully so you can log in later and manage your services. After creating your account, enter your billing information and choose your payment method. Bluehost will also ask you to select your preferred hosting billing term if you haven't already done so. Take your time here and double-check everything before submitting. Once everything looks correct, review your order one more time. Confirm the domain name, the hosting plan, the billing cycle, and any extras in the cart. If something looks wrong, go back and fix it before you pay. When you are ready, click Submit Payment to complete the purchase. After your payment goes through, log into your Bluehost portal. This is where you'll manage everything you bought. Under Hosting, you should see your hosting plan. Under Domains, you should see your domain listed as well. From here, you can continue setting up your website, connect WordPress, or start building your pages. And that's it. You've successfully bought a domain and hosting from Bluehost. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly website tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.